Hello, I'm Hannah from CS department. I've come here to demonstrate about the website like using the HTML and CSS, and this is my mockup page. I'm going to do something similar to this. So we'll have a HTML coding and we'll have a CSS as an external sheet, and this is my and this is my HTML, and in this HTML I have a header part, I have a navigation part, and I have three sections, and inside that I have to put like certain thumbnails, and I have a footer. So like I have certain tags. Mm. So like so I have my CSS um, page here, and I have given the link of the CSS in my head tag. So when I run this file, so like this is my website. So like what I've did. So to do this part with the color, name, and the photo, so I have given so I have given a color in the header part, and this image part lies under this tag. So like you can see, like like inside the header part you have something, you have a class. So the class will normally have a selector with a dot. So I've used the selector here. So I've given the image a cover, so the so I can give a height and width for it, and the display will be a line and inline block. And then this is for the title, and next comes for the navigation bar. So for the navigation I have for personal, academics, activity, and others. So I have something new here. So like once when I click on to my uh, academics navigation, so the color will get changed, plus I want the font color also to be changed. So for this I am actually giving a over font. So here's the thing. So over is the colors for the yellow text, and this over is for the background, so that you can see that. So once when I go and keep, I have a green color, and when I go, that yellow is the font color. And after the navigation bar, I have the section 1. In that I have the banner image put. So like this is the banner image, and top of the banner image I have put a content into a background. So for this I have put a banner. Inside the banner I have a border for dotted, that red dotted border, and I have a background color, and inside the text like I can give. So this text has been given in my HTML file. So like this was the text that I have given, and after this comes the section 2. In my section 2 I have a background color again, and I have 4 thumbnails. I have HTML, CSS, JSS, and PHP. So even for this similarly I have given same thing. So I have 4 boxes here. So these are the class names. So like as you could see here, I have 2 classes, that is box and a title. So box 2 title. So in my CSS file I've given separately. So I've given a background that is common for all, and then I've given the height, width, margin, and like all the attributes, and I've given the position as a relative, so that the images will correctly fit onto their sizes. Like once when I give absolute, it might even override the image. So this is for box 1 separately, and this is for box 2, box 3, and box 4. Like the images have been given with the with the required sizes. And this one comes title, that is for the section 3. So this CSS, this content will come for the title thing. So inside this title I've given the border should be so and so, the width, the color of the font should be white, and I've given a background color for it, and the position should be absolute, so that it should be on top of the image. And then we have section 3, where I have a background comment. So like this will be my section 3, where I have 3 thumbnails. So even in this too, so I have the same kind of image in 3. So I have box 1, box 5, and box 6. So when these boxes have been put into separate classes in the section 3, as you could see into a division tag, and I put the required images with the display, margin, width, and height. And then comes my footer. So I have given a gradient to my photo, so that I just want a color from one color to another color, like slowly gradiating, and I have given an address into that footer. So I have given a division tag, so that I could put my font into any kind of bold or italic, or the font should be in center. I have a font size for it, and the font can be underlined, so it's an address. and the color of the font. So like once when when this full CSS part is done, so you can paste the link into the head file of the HTML, and then when you run the file, so like here's the website, so the photo, name, and here comes the navigation with like all the over that you have given, the banner and content on top, and then the section 2 with the 4 thumbnails, section 3 with 3 thumbnails, and finally the address. So and finally we have to host this in a web hoster so that it could be easy for the people to see it. So like this is the end of my website. Thank you for watching my video.